Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. This video will consist of the recruitment for Indian Air Force 2020. These are the basic details that you have to know. The organization is Indian Air Force and the post names are as follows. The AFCAT, which is Commissioned Officer for Flying and Ground Duty. The total vacancies opened are 235. The starting date for application is the 1st of December 2020 and the last date is 30th of December 2020. The mode of application will be online and this particular post is opened across India. Candidates, please note, the official website which is mentioned here will provide you more information if you want to look into. Please head over the official website. These are the vacancy details as you have to take note of. For AFCAT entry, the branch is flying and the vacancy is SSC 69, and this consists of the different branches also, which are ground duty technical, aeronautical engineering, electronics and aeronautical engineering mechanical are preferred, and these are the vacancies as mentioned here on the screen. And coming to the third sector, which is ground duty non-technical administration and education, these are the different vacancy posts which are mentioned here on the screen. For admin PC it's 12, for SSC it's 19, for ACCTS it's PC 6 and SSC it is 10, LGS PC 09, SSC it is 14. And for NCC special entry for flying, the vacancies are as follows. 10% of CDSE vacancies PC and 10% seats of AFCAT vacancies are opened for NCC candidates. Now for the education qualification, please note that for flying branch, candidates should have passed with a minimum 50% of marks in maths physics at their 12th grade. Graduation with a 60% of marks. It can be from any discipline, but your degree should hold of a 3-year degree and it should be under a recognized university from the Government of India. And also candidates who are in the streams of BE, BTech degree with a 60% of marks are preferred, and also this particular degree must carry a 4-year certificate from a recognized university. And aspirants who have cleared the section A and B of the examination of Associate Membership of Institution of Engineers from India, or candidates who belong to Aeronautical Society of India and that should be from a recognized university, should have a minimum of 60% of marks or equivalent. Now let us see what are the basic details for ground duty technical branch. For aeronautical engineering, electronics and mechanical, the criteria is as follows. Candidates with a minimum of 50% of marks in physics, mathematics at their 12th grade, and your 4-year degree for engineering, which is also called as graduation, or if you are a postgrad, an integrated post-graduation qualification in engineering or technology from recognized university is preferred. Also remember, candidates can also check AFCAT 2020 notification for more details. For ground duty non-technical, administration and logistics, candidates should have their 12th grade along with their graduation which is consisting of a 3-year degree, and your degree should be from a recognized university carrying 60% of marks or equivalent. Or if the candidate have cleared section A and B examination of the Associate Membership of Institute of Engineers India, or if the candidate has Aeronautical Society of India from recognized university carrying 60% of marks or equivalent are preferred. For accountant branch, candidates should hold 12th grade along with their graduation and in any of the streams mentioned here, which is BCom degree, Bachelor of Business Administration, qualified CA, CMA, CS, CFA, BSc. All the qualified streams which are mentioned here are eligible. For the specialization in finance, you all have to have 60% of marks and equivalent from a recognized university under the Government of India. Now the age limit for application is as follows. For flying branch, the candidate should be 20 to 24 years and they should be born between 2nd January 1998 and 1st January of 2002. For ground duty technical or non-technical, 20 to 26 years are preferred criteria, and the candidate should be born 2nd of January 1996 and 1st of January 2002 is preferred. The salary details are as follows. For flying officer, it is ranging between 56,000 to 1,77,500 at a level of 10 with then MSP of 15,500. Note that flying cadets shall receive a fixed stipend of 56,600 per month during their first year of training. The selection process is as follows. The IAF officials will be conducting a computer-based examination by SSB test. The application fee is as follows. To register for this particular test, which is AFCAT, candidates have to pay the amount of ₹250, which is the non-refundable. So once you pay your fees and if you don't attempt your examination, your fees will not be refunded. So candidates who are appearing for the registration through NCC, they are not required to pay. Please check the link which is mentioned here on the screen, and the same link will be put down in the description box below. So don't forget to check so that it will give you direct access for knowing more details and information of how to apply for the post. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Share it with your friends whoever are looking forward for this information or looking for this category of applying for this post. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, you can put it down in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Freshers now. Thank you.